our signals correctly. So let's begin. Here you can see on the screen we have opened pocket option. I will minimize this. Now I will first change my chart from line chart to candles. I'll now enable the candle timer, which helps us monitor the timing of each candle precisely. Next, I'm selecting the M5 timeframe, so each candle now represents 5 minutes. Now that the chart is ready, I'm going to set the trade timer. Here you can see the timer. I'll click on it and select M5. Although we trade using flag mode, setting the timer to M5 is completely safe. I'll click on this clock image, switch to flag mode, and then choose plus M5. Now you can see my current time is 22:36. To make this work correctly, I will set the trade time 5 minutes ahead. This way, my trade will end exactly at 22:40 if I enter on the 22:35 candle. That's how you set it properly. For example, if your current time is 22:02, you simply set the timer to 22:05. After this, the system will automatically keep adding 5 minutes in the future, so every trade closes exactly at the end. Make sure enable auto time offset so that the trade expiry automatically syncs with the candle closing time. With auto offset on and M5 selected, the trade always ends exactly at the close of the 5-minute candle. This avoids manual timing mistakes and ensures accurate entries and exits.